Hey guys, I'm having kind of trouble sleeping, so I'm gonna go ahead and guys, it's been snowing all day in my area so far. It's also snow all day tomorrow too. It's 11:58 p.m. 2 more minutes. It will be April 17th. Sunday, April 17th, 2016. I'm gonna go ahead and start recording until 12:01, until midnight. Take a look at this. Yeah. So you can see we're having a really, really bad snowstorm right now. I've had one all day. We've had one all day today, but I decided to just go and do the video now. I've been kind of busy lately, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the video now. It has happened all day though, pretty much. As you can see, it's still blowing really hard, and look at how heavy this snow is. Look at all that. It's hard to see though. Getting some inches off of this. And it just struck 12 o'clock. So now it is April 17th now.
Tyler?
Yeah?
Everything
Making the
all
weather
right?
video. Yeah.
Oh, okay, sweetheart.
Sorry.
I wanted to make sure you were okay.
Yeah. Sorry, my mom came in, guys. Yeah. So yeah, it's midnight now. Sorry about that, guys. My mom interrupted me. That's it for the video. See you guys later.